This is a really interesting topic today. It's how does a good criminal DUI lawyer cross-examine a police officer on an over 80 case? So we have to go back to how to prove an over 80. It's a very technical area. There's a ton of case law. There's thousands of cases on point. And the Crown has to prove a very technical thing so that the police are testifying step by step by steps. Now, so when I get the disclosure, that's the police report, sometimes I can spot a deficiency or a problem which I know is going to develop during their evidence, okay? So the thing to do when they testify, you're waiting for that deficiency to happen, and it happens. So let's assume it happens. So now I have to say to myself, do I still have to push them more towards the mistake, or is the mistake already evident? Because sometimes the answer is, I don't need to cross-examine. They screwed up. I've already won the case. Now that's a beautiful thing when that happens. Now another thing is, they're moving towards that mistake, and I need to cleverly and subtly push them without tipping them off. There's techniques to do this. I won't get into them, but as a DUI lawyer, bottom line, you have to know the law, and my God, you need to have these techniques in place or you're going to signal your intentions. So there's mistakes of omission, which you might not need to cross-examine, or they've started to do a mistake which you need to unravel, is the bottom line. And this goes to, so that's at a trial. Part of trials are also charter applications where you have constitutional arguments, for example, a rights to counsel argument or a reasonable probable grounds argument, which I discuss in other videos, and I won't go through them here. But again, it's the same thing. Has the mistake arisen already so it's so powerful that I don't even need to cross-examine, or do I need to push them more in the area of that mistake? Here's the bottom line. A good DUI lawyer, if you find a thread, sometimes you can find the thread and keep unraveling that thread eventually to the person has no clothes off. I've seen it happen from good DUI lawyers. You have to know when to push, when not to push, when to cross-examine, when not to cross-examine, and just keep step by step by step unraveling that thread until you've won the case. That's how you cross. It sounds easy, it's not, but that's how you cross-examine on an over 80 trial to expose technical problems in their case that they haven't proved all the prerequisites in the criminal code, or to attack charter issues where you're trying to get evidence thrown out. The techniques are all the same. It's all about the lawyer saying, do I need to cross-examine? Have I already won? Or do I need to push this witness more in the direction where I can keep unraveling that button? Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.